Thầy và bắt đầu. Good after waking up the grandpa. Episode 75. Stop snoring. Grandpa is snoring really loudly. Bill and Bake will wake him up. They shake Grandpa's shoulder. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They squeeze Grandpa's nose. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They tickled Grandpa's feet. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They play Grandpa's instruments. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They spin Grandpa's chair. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They dance to Grandpa's music. Grandpa keeps on snoring. They steal Grandpa's hair. Grandpa keeps on snoring. Bear and Bake tried. They sleep on Grandpa's floor. Grandpa wakes up. Who is snoring so loudly? He asked.
So, this we
Có xem được chưa?
chưa?
Tại
Ok.
sao?